Hello, hope you're doing well. So, measurement today is really going to be measuring, um, you know, the tubes and just thinking about from a vantage point. If you look at the first one, so in other words, it shows you that the first one is 84 milliliters. So, what would it be shaded in if that was the case for the beaker? So the next one's 420 milliliters. Where would you shade it to represent 420? And the next one's 99, so on and so forth. So that's the first two boxes. The last box actually just opposite. It actually gives you a shaded portion, and you have to find it. So remember, when you're looking at the lines, are the lines every 10 away, or are they every 5 away, and then go accordingly from there. And then within the measurement, so let's say if this was we knew we were trying to get to 25. We would shade this in. And then the next portion is really dealing with time. Remember, there's 60 minutes is in 1 hour. So you'll be doing stuff with time where you says, if you were getting ready for something at 7 a.m. and you knew it took you 20 minutes to get dressed and showered and 15 minutes to drive there, what time would you have to leave your house? Well, if it's 20 minutes and 15 minutes, so 20 plus 15 we know is 35 minutes. We said you wanted to be there at 7. Well, we'd have to leave at least 6:25 a.m. So again, just think about how time works. The biggest thing, just remember, there's 60 minutes in an hour, not 100. That's sometimes an error when we're not thinking clearly about time, we'll make that calculation error. But have fun. If you have any questions, send an email to Mr. Harrison. Thanks.